Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for mindfulness. Whether you're new to meditation or have meditated before, this practice will help you connect to the present moment and cultivate awareness. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit in a chair, on the floor, or wherever feels good for you. Allow your hands to rest gently on your lap or knees. When you're ready, close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now take another deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. Let your breathing settle into a natural rhythm, not forcing or controlling it, just noticing each inhale and exhale. As you sit here, gently bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or the coolness of the air as it touches your nostrils. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Simply notice where it goes, and without judgment, bring your focus back to your breath. Each time you return to your breath, you're strengthening your mindfulness, your ability to be present. Now, gently scan your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move down, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. If you find any, breathe into that space, inviting it to soften and release. Bring your attention back to your breath. Allow each inhale to fill you with calmness, and with each exhale, let go of any stress or distraction. Feel yourself rooted in the present moment. You don't need to change anything, just be here as you are right now. Now, as we prepare to close this meditation, take one more deep breath in and a long, slow exhale out. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your surroundings. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take this sense of mindfulness with you as you move through the rest of your day. You've given yourself the gift of presence, and you can return to this peaceful state anytime you wish. Thank you for joining this meditation. Namaste.